Hello and welcome to solidrockworship.org. I'm Tom Anger, and in this lesson we're just going to talk about basic tablature reading and how to apply it to your guitar. Okay, so tablature is nothing more than a chart with lines and numbers on it. Okay, it's almost, you think about it as like a paint by numbers kind of a scheme. The lines on the chart represent the strings on your guitar, okay, and the numbers represent what fret you're going to put your fingers on to play that note, or whichever notes are on the tablature. So that kind of tells you where which strings you're going to hit and what fret you're going to play. Okay, now if you look at the picture down below, it shows you a basic cutout of what tablature may look like. And you'll notice the bottom string on the tablature there shows you the 6th string, and that represents the top string on the guitar. Okay, the 6th string, which is the fat E. And then if you notice, if you're going up the tablature, you're going down on the guitar. Okay, that's how you'd read it. So the 5th string would be on the guitar, would be the 2nd string down. And that's how you'd read it. It's almost like if you printed the page off and laid it down in your lap, okay, and looked at it. That's how you would play if you're reading tablature. Now, if you'll notice, that example there shows a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 on the 6th string, and it also shows a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 on the 5th string. So the way you would play that, okay, like I said, you read from left to right and those notes are spread out horizontally. The way you would play that is as follows. 0 fret on the top string, 1st fret on the top string, 2nd fret on the top string, 3rd fret on the top string, 4th fret on the top string, okay, then you go to the next string, open, which is a 0, okay, then 1st fret on the 5th string, 2nd fret, 5th string, 3rd fret, 5th string, 4th fret, 5th string. So I think you get the idea at that point on how you'd read tablature, reading it from left to right. Now, you may also see tablature shown with numbers stacked up on top of each other, you know, going in an up and down pattern instead of the horizontal pattern. And what that typically means is you're playing more than one note at the same time, okay, almost like a chord. So many times it would be a chord or a part of a chord or an interval, but just understand that if you see numbers stacked up and down, that means you're playing those notes at the same time. Okay, we're going to show you an example now, and that's going to show you an A minor chord. Okay, the 6th string we're not playing, there's no number on the 6th string, but notice the next string down, the 5th string, next string up rather, that you're seeing, the 5th string is a 0, so that's an open A, and then you'll notice as we read up the tablature, it goes, the 5th string is open, the 4th string is on the 2nd fret, the 3rd string is on the 2nd fret, the 2nd string is on the 1st fret, and then the 1st string is open. Okay, so what that would sound like, remember, it's stacked up and down, so remember you're playing those at the same time. Okay, and that's the A minor chord, and that would sound like this. Okay, so all you need to remember is when you're looking at tablature, you play from left to right. If it's horizontally, you play those notes in that order. If they're stacked vertically, you play those notes at the same time. And that's basically all you need to know at this point to begin printing off some tabs and start playing. Now, if you're interested, we have some tabs already out there for finger exercises on our website at solidrockworship.org. You click Guitar Lessons, and in there we have some scale exercises. So feel free to go and access those tabs and start practicing. Okay? Good luck. Have fun.